Hey everybody, this is John Degges here with Phillips Foods, and today we're going to be making a Chesapeake Crab style flatbread. And the ingredients we will be using are Phillips Chesapeake Crab Dip, comes in a 2-pound bag. We're going to be using our pre-made flatbread, 7-inch oval, some Parmesan cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, a little arugula, and some pre-made tomato salsa. First, we're going to start off with our flatbread. Place it down on your board or table, whatever you're using first. Then the next ingredient will be the Phillips Chesapeake style crab dip, and we're just going to use that as a base for the bottom of the bread. Again, the crab meat's already in there and all the crab flavor. And we're just going to slightly spread this around till you leave about 1 inch from the edge. Okay, simple. The next thing we're going to do is add a little bit of our tomato salsa and just kind of go around a little bit. This has some tomatoes, olive oil, some parsley, a little bit of red onion, and we're just going to spread that around. And then the next two ingredients are going to be sharp cheddar cheese and a little bit of cheddar, about 1 ounce, and then just a little bit of Parmesan cheese, about 1/2 ounce. And that is it. And all we need to do now is bake. So just take your flatbread, your utensil that you will use, whether it's a paddle or spatula, and just place it into the oven of your choice, whether it's toaster oven, grill at home, whatever you use. Just place it in, put it on about 400 degrees, and let it bake for about 7 minutes. Flatbread is done, cheese is nice and bubbly, melted. We're going to pull it out of the oven. Once out the oven, we're just going to give it a nice little cut. Spin it around, give it a nice little cut again. And then we're going to place it on a plate. And then give it a nice little garnish, some arugula or whatever the little baby greens you have. Here's your Chesapeake flatbread. I messed that up.